Just gonna film down this area. This is kind of a popular street. Just kind of show you what's here. This street is some restaurants. A lot of tourists come down here. So you're kind of near Fortuna Casino, which is a little bit see rows of cars. Okay, that's Fortuna Casino. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. And then this strip right here is kind of a funny strip. Mostly gold, neon lights, little alley. And then this particular alley is always pretty crowded. Japanese restaurant. Never been in there. It's beautiful though. Huh. And this is Fortuna Casino right there. So, okay. So yeah, Fortuna Casino, and then this is kind of a funny corner. So we're gonna walk and show some of this gold. Cool. This gold is, by the way, is 10,000 mop, which is 1,200 American dollars. So okay, this one is probably 1,300 American dollars. This one right here. All right. Actually, maybe I'll just walk down the street real quick. This street is known as kind of the most sketchiest street in the city, but it's not really that sketchy, really. But Macau standards, I guess it is, because there's a lot of kind of low budget casino people usually walk down the street, I think. So just walk down it, but it's pretty it's actually really safe. It's just when you're here, it feels like you're in, like, basically if people have money, they go to the casinos and they'll spend time. They really nice casinos all over the place. And this is kind of the lower end area, but it's still fine. Anyways, and then this opens up into a much bigger street over there. So this street right down there, let's go all the way up, and then you can see some of the top buildings too. Those buildings are kind of beautiful. But basically, this street has more saunas and kind of prostitutes who walk around, but it's still really safe, like everywhere in Macau. So, anyways. Hotel Fortuna. I'm gonna close it right here.